told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten.
Hey guys, it's been forever since I did a grocery haul, so here you go. 3 gallons of water, a case of root beer, 2 Diet Sunkist 2 liters. I needed some more Downy and some more Tide with Downy. I'm not out, but I don't like to be close to being out. I do laundry every day. I have wet dog food. She has plenty of dry. A little bit of wet cat food and some dry cat food. A family size Caesar salad kit, some breakfast sausage links, an 18 count of eggs, some Colby and Monterey Jack cheese cracker cuts, seasoned french fries, some peas and carrots, green beans. These Mary B dumplings is the first time I'm going to use this in chicken and noodles, so we shall see how that is. Grape tomatoes, 2 English cucumbers, 3 gallons of red diamond sweet tea, 2 gallons of milk. I have a boneless spiral cut ham, a pound of ground beef, a pack of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. There are 6 in there, and a chuck roast. Okay, like where do we go from here? A family size box of Cheez-Its, a 3-pack of Dove Beauty Bar. I haven't used that soap in a while and I wanted to try it, see if I still liked it. Some tissues because we're out. I am going to make another batch of trash, so I have the wheat checks, the corn squares, and the rice squares. 2 cans of Spam, that is for my husband. Some pretzels for the trash. Celery to munch on. Medium shells. Some baking potatoes. A jar of beef gravy. A box of honeycomb, that was a request by one of the twins. A box of Reese's Puffs, that was a request by one of the other twins. Hold on. Goodness, I have a tickle. Some Valentine M&Ms, that is for the trash. We put that in our trash. It makes it really delicious. Some croutons for salad tonight. Some stuffing mix. I use that in my meatloaf. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. 1 can of French onion soup. 1 can of beef consomme. 2 packs of the beefy onion Lipton onion soup mix. 6 package of ranch salad dressing dip mix. 1 Italian. 2 things of chicken broth. I have here 2 of this garlic spread that you guys know I love to use that for garlic toast. I did overlook this box of honey nut Chex mix. Nope, honey nut Chex. My husband likes that cereal, and I do too. Whenever I have to be in the mood to have cereal. And I blame Annie for this, but I got some cherry cheese Danish just because I have been wanting a Danish for a while, and I didn't want to get a big one and it go to waste. So I got that one because it has 6 individually wrapped ones. Some tomatoes, green leaf lettuce, some dillweed. These are for the boys. One of them wanted the Takis, which is the regular hot chili, and the other one wanted the fajita. They are gamers, and I like to get them something to snack on the weekends. Ruffles. They subbed. I had ciabatta buns on my list, and they subbed out these just regular rolls. I guess they're sub buns. I'm going to use that still for garlic toast. It'll be fine. I did get some sub buns. These are for something that you will see in just a second. A loaf of white bread and a loaf of honey wheat bread. Like, what am I looking at? Hey, I found a couple sacks that I didn't unload. There's some ketchup, some of this lovely cheese, paper plates, American cheese, provolone cheese, butter, and chocolate syrup. And that, my friends, is all of the grocery haul. It has been forever since I did a grocery haul, so y'all forgive me. I'm a little rusty. This is our meal plan. Thursday, which is today, we're going to have meaty marinara with cheese tortellini instead of pasta, regular spaghetti noodles, a salad, and garlic bread, now that I have to move that ciabatta off. Tomorrow I'm going to do slow cooker French dip sandwiches. I do work on Fridays, so that can just cook in the crock pot, and all I have to do is come home and shred the meat and make the sandwiches and throw it will not be potato wedges. They sub that for fries. So either fries or tots in the air fryer. Saturday we're going to do a baked ham. That is not the one that you saw. That is one my husband wants to use for lunches. I'm actually going to go get it in the morning, our ham for Saturday. So there you go. But we're going to make our own sandwiches, chips, dip, veggie tray, kind of like an appetizer, snack, eat when you want, what you want kind of day. Sunday is macaroni, ham and cheese with Caesar salad and yeast rolls. Monday is going to be meatloaf, mashed potatoes and gravy, green beans and biscuits. Tuesday is my husband's birthday, so happy birthday, babe. He wants steaks as always, and sauteed mushrooms, baked potatoes, some veggie, and some kind of dessert. I will actually get that stuff on Tuesday, so maybe I'll let y'all have a peek in that. I'm not sure. Wednesday is the last day of my meal plan, so we are going to do slow cooker chicken and noodles, very quick and easy. So I'm kind of utilizing my slow cooker a couple times, and the other meals are kind of quick. The other things I'm going to make this week, which I have all the things out here, are the Dilly Ranch snack crackers. That is what the Cheez-Its were for. Some trash and some sugar cookies. I have the dough in my icebox already. And for Saturday and Sunday, I am going to make time to make sure I make breakfast. So I will do sausage links, waffles, eggs, and hash browns on Saturday. And then Sunday, I will do a breakfast casserole. And that is our meal plan and our grocery haul for the upcoming week. I wish you all a fantastic weekend. What are you cooking this week? I'd love to know. Give me some inspiration. Leave it down in the comments down below. Oh, I also spent $243. So not too shabby when you look at, everything that was bought. It wasn't all just food. A lot of it is snack items and some pet food, and of course laundry soap, and you guys know that stuff ain't cheap. So there you go. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Not my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall